What up, though? Welcome to Early's Outside. Today, we got a couple things going on. We got a marketplace deal we're finalizing. After that, we're out of here. We're going camping by the beach.
You hate the truck so much, I gotta pick you up every time. It's gonna be fun, I promise. You driving, Zoe? Schizophrenia. Gotta hold out for the money. Alright, so I just sold my generator, my Predator generator. Everyone's been lowballing me for 300. I bought it for 300. And we got 4. So just hold tough on your bargains and your marketplace deals, guys. Now we're going to Horseneck Beach to test out the AC from OutTheQuick Pro. First, we're gonna get some seafood. We're gonna do some steamers on the beach. Zoe, come on! You're always putting the windows down. This is a nice, good day. We're gonna go to the Portugali Marketplace, world-renowned. One of the only good things in Fall River, Mass. Right here. See what they got for clams. All right, you guys hang tight, okay? I'll be right back. Don't drink my Red Bull, dude. Okay, guys, we didn't get any clams, Max, but yeah, I got some good beers. All right, so they didn't have any clams at all, except for oysters. We're not doing oysters. That place is awesome. We'll have to do another video, Max, showing what they got going on. But, I mean, not a squid, you know, octopi. We're just looking for steamers, some little necks, some good old-fashioned New England seafood. So we're gonna go Stop and Shop, I guess. Max, why do you hate the truck so much, dude? He only likes it. You're gonna have a good time, dude. Just take a little nap, okay? Damn, heavy conversation. The heck? $7 for a big bowl? What? It's insane. I'm going with these. These aren't even bowls, really. Damn, $7, dude. Whatever. They look like they're nice. What's up, man? Can I get 3 pounds of steamers?
Don't have any.
You guys don't have any?
They're out of season now.
Okay, we'll do 3 pounds of the little necks, I guess. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Have a good one.
Yes. Ma'am, the serve says that way. The serve says it's that way.
Sweet, thanks, man.
$6.25.
Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you. Oh, don't jump out, Max. Oh, shit. We're all jammed up here. You guys hand me the cooler? Come on, guys. Help me out. Hold on, Maxie. Nope, nope. Stay. Let me get those in there, please. In the meats. I got you guys some chicken, okay, for dinner? Okay. God damn it. Only one of these keys works. What's falling back here? Anything? All right, let me in. Come on, move it. One more stop, Maxie. All right, so they didn't have steamers. Out of season, I guess. Beats me. Shows how much I know. So we got little necks, no problem. Pretty much the same thing, smaller clam. And we got one more stop. We're going to Walmart because Zoe needs a lead so she can run around. And then we're going to the campground, guys. That's funny, Zoe. Max, I promise it's the last stop, dude. I know you hate the car. You're the only dog I've ever met that hates the car. Look at this dog, Zoe. No, I'm not gonna let you get it. What spot are we in, Zoe? We're in... Oh, don't hit the guy, though. We're in number 2. Oh, what's going on here? Yes, I'm parked. Number 2, yep. Alright, they'll be out in a second.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
You built that shit yourself?
No, I like built it out, but some other guy built it.
What, you travel around a lot?
Camping.
Yeah.
Yeah, just camping, but...
Yeah, it's fucking sick.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Nice guy. All right, Zoe, we got your stuff now. That's good service. She said I'm her neighbor. I guess I didn't know that. We're finally going, guys. 20 minutes, you'll be in heaven. This place is an absolute shit show. You guys gotta buckle. Okay, Max? It's not safe.
Max never buckles. Maybe it's an act of rebellion because he hates the truck that much. But look how cute they are. And Zoe loves the truck. And look at this. I mean, it's beautiful. Serenity, one would think. But Max is a different type of K9. Strange boy, small boy, compact. He's been camping before. I'm still not sure if he likes it. This is Zoe's first time. Either way, I'm sure they'll both be on their best behavior.
Here it is, guys. We made it. Gotta get our parking pass. I'm gonna go into the office, I think. Nope, don't jump out. 63. Here's Zoe. Read the map. Tell us where we're going. Who is pooping their pants in here, you guys? They're gonna kick us out of here for stinkies. Stinky. Too stinky. All right. I thought it wasn't gonna be busy. There's still people here. That's all right. No problem. Hopefully we can get away from these guys. We want privacy. Thought the Taurus all left, Zoe. Couple big rigs still. We're at Loop C. Oh, did I? Which one was that? 64, 68. I think I passed it. 69. Nice. Damn it. Gotta go around again, guys. See, I was trying to get one of these, you guys. Shoot. 70. Damn. I wanted one of these. I messed up. That's all right, guys. 80. Yeah, we went too far. It's nice though, huh, Zoe? I don't know where the hell I'm going. 33. We're way off. That thing's cool. 37. We gotta keep going, Zoe. There it is. Not too bad. You can deal with that. That's right next to the porta potty for you, Zoe. Okay, guys, we did it. Sweet. Busier than I thought it would be. All right, you guys want to get out? Come on. Freaks. A couple of real bad dudes and a dudette. Oh, look who it is. It's Uncle Frank. Uncle Frank's here, guys. What's up, pal? How we doing?
Hey, Pig Dude. Hello, Pig Dude. Hey.
Oh, there goes the water. What's up? How we doing? Easy, Max. Look at you all tangled, dude. Yeah, cool. I got some too. Max, you're already drinking, are you? That's beers.
Garlic bread.
Yeah, for the little necks. I didn't get steamers. They didn't have them. You got meats, you said?
Yes.
That's good.
Burgers, steak.
Nice. You guys are all jammed up, though. Come on.
They must be happy to get out.
Yeah, they didn't like the car right here. Zoe did, but Max hates the truck for some reason. We got a lot of wood. All right, guys. What's up, Maxie? Oh, you can't reach me. Yeah, I'll take you off your thing. Hold on. You can't go too far anyway. You're not that fast. I think our neighbors are leaving, buddy. Sayonara. Sucker. All right, guys. So we made it to Horseneck Beach here in Westport, Massachusetts. Max and Zoe, who I don't think I've formally introduced yet, depending on what video comes out first. Max, that's mine. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out. It's a little busier than I expected. Usually this is the time to come here. Tourists all go home. We still got some lurkers. ChatGPT also kind of steered me wrong. I've been here before, but AI said that we were at the waterfront. We're not. Water's over there. But, you know, I'm not going to get hung up on specifics here. I'm going to enjoy our time, cook some food. These guys love being outside. A couple dirt dogs, Trot Nixon.
Look at the dirty hat already. Now you've got a dirty uniform.
Boston loves a dirt dog. And nipples. So we're going to hang out, cook some food. Jenny's going to come later. Uncle Frank went for a little walk, but there he is over yonder. See him, Zoe? Uncle Frank? All right. Oh, big jump. Big jump. How's your walk?
Down there on the beach.
Sweet. All right, Frank, how you feeling?
I feel great today.
You do?
Yep.
That's great. Kind of busy here, no?
Summertime's peak season, man.
Yeah, but it's October.
Still great year around. That's what I say. Right, Max? Yeah, right, dude. We're chilling. We're gonna cook soon.
Frank brought the burner.
Those are for the steamers.
Well, they didn't have steamers. They had little necks.
Those work too.
Truck camper, new AC. Shout out to Out Equip Pro for hooking it up. You guys want a little blankie? Don't pee on it. There you go. Hold on, Max. Let me set it up for you, buddy. Hold on. Let me set it up for you, dude. Oh, cigarette butts. That's not cool. You like that? Nice, man. That ain't too bad, Max. Knock yourself out, buddy. I'll set the grill up just so it's ready. A little dirty. What do you think, Max? Damn, look at that rig. What the hell? You guys got a whole studio apartment back there. Sick. Oh, it's you? Thought I cleaned this last time. Guess not. Maxie? I got some chicken for these guys for dinner. You didn't bring your dog food. You get to eat that human food. Not too bad. Caterpillar. Zoe, what the hell? Did you just piss on that blanket? Great. God damn it, Max. Come here. Oh, she's bad.
I say they're equally as bad.
That was crazy. She just peed on the blanket. She thought it was a pee pad, maybe.
That's exactly what she thought.
So what's new besides your sunglasses?
Yeah, same old stuff.
That was the post office.
Good for the most part. I'm staying busy and drawing near to Christmas. We just feel like things are picking up a little. So that's a good thing because there's always work to be done.
Wait, it's October 10th.
Well, mail-wise, I mean, typically the mail volume picks up a little bit in the fall, especially after Columbus Day, because like
People get on Amazon Prime and they get all excited.
Yep.
And then I go to Home Depot and there's Christmas trees out already.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy.
It's not even Halloween yet.
Well, then again, I did see people like put out Halloween candy and like decorations in August. So
That's wild.
it is, but that's how they operate now, I guess. But you know, sometimes we bag on pumpkin shit, like anything pumpkin flavored. I really like the Oktoberfest. I dig the Oktoberfest.
So you're not doing a pumpkin latte, matcha,
Oh no,
cinnamon on the rim.
No.
Unbelievable. What else is going on?
Bruins are starting back up again.
I'm boycotting the Bruins, though. I'm going to Providence, that's it. Tickets are the most expensive across the league.
Like you're not even gonna watch them on TV?
How am I going to watch it? Pay for Nesson? $108 a month? Jack Edwards is gone. What's the point?
But you got the food. I can send you the Fubo account.
Fubo?
Yeah.
For us, by us? Pretty sure it's Fubo, no? Do you know what Fubo is or was?
No.
How much is Fubo TV?
Well, with all the channels, it's like $85 a month.
Damn. You get Skinamax with that or no?
What's Skinamax?
You know, like grainy boobs?
No.
Damn, Max, if you pee on that thing, dude, this is getting ridiculous. I set up this nice blanket for you guys. There he goes. Awesome. You did? Are you kidding me, dude? What the hell's the point? This is hell on earth living with you guys. Get a Frenchie, they said. Get two even. I can't help you, Max. Skinamax. That's you, buddy. What are those, Dolce & Gabbana? Those glasses?
It says Foster Grant.
Oh, she sees another dog. She's crying. Zoe.
They never really get out much.
That's true. Bad parenting. I'm never going to be an influencer, am I, Max? I'll never be the outdoors Mr. Beast. You think this is entertaining? People to watch?
They like the dogs, I know that.
What about us?
Oh, maybe they will, maybe they won't.
Yeah, maybe not. Oh, shit. That was a bee.
There was a bee in there?
I just had a bee in my mouth.
Damn. It didn't sting you, did it?
God, this trip's going great. Damn. That was crazy. I just had a whole yellow jacket in my mouth.
Yeah.
God damn. Where's the little bastard? That's tripping me out. Now I can't find it. There's no way he lived. Maybe I'm on shrooms. Just kidding, Frank. Don't do drugs. All right, should we go to the beach? All right. Actually, let's just finish these, then we'll go. Damn, Max.
I don't know if dogs are allowed on this beach, but hey, I figure it's better to ask for forgiveness than permission sometimes. I also don't know if these guys have ever seen water before. They grew up in Kranganistan, you know, right next to Warak.
You guys want sweaters? You cold? Yeah, you love a sweater, don't you, dude? Here, put this on. Oh, I don't know, Max. You're looking kind of thick, ready to cut the hoodie like Belichick, dude. Throw your hood up. You want clothes, too? This is too small for you, I think. That's kind of like a tube top on you. There you go. Looking good, guys. How's it going? Want to do a burger?
Yeah.
You guys keep doing crisscross applesauce.
Salt and pepper?
Damn, no, I don't. But you have Worcestershire, right?
Yeah.
So you got the salt covered. That's all it is, buddy. Actually, if you want to look in the back of the truck, you don't have to, but in that black bin, I might have there's another goddamn Airstream. Crazy. Hello, 63.
Okay, do I need a pass?
Just drive in. The gate should be closed anyway. Like the booth or whatever. Big party, buddy. Shutting it down.
What are you doing? Hi, Maxie. Your stuff, buddy?
He's all tied up on his thing. What's up?
You're crazy.
I'm just making a little kindling.
How are we doing, guys?
Not the best. They use the blanket as a pee pad. Yep, they don't know how to act. Every dog that goes by, they want to kill.
You got a spatula?
You got tongs right behind you. What's up?
Did you bring these?
I got a couple. You have a sip.
A sip?
Yeah.
What the heck?
I'm just kidding. He could probably have one. Frank will probably give you one. Or he already drank all his.
How long have you guys been here?
Too long. Nice burgers. Chef Frank. Oh,
And you tangled your brother.
that's boyfriend. Brother. What incest.
Max is waiting for a steak.
Frank's cooking. I like that. I don't even have to. This guy's got Starlink behind us in a whole one-bedroom apartment. That thing opens up. Must be nice to eat. Pretty good. Well, that burger looks like mashed potatoes, but
We didn't have spatula.
there might have been one in the back. I don't know, but I'll eat it. Is that all the beers we got? Oh, Jenny, you can have one of those.
Great, thank you so much.
Here you go. No, you're not actually
Have
gonna.
a natty light.
You're not gonna drink that, are you?
Huh?
Don't drink that. That's for the clams. You can. Look at the percentage on it. Oh, 5.9?
5.9.
Oh, it's not a natty daddy. Maybe a little lemon, nothing else. Oh, shit. This propane's probably gone. Fire's going, Maxie. I don't think that other wood's even gonna light, though. Whose beer's who? We got so many open beers here.
Maybe 9.
All right, hand me that one.
Despite being the orphan Annies of this campground, and more than likely in the lowest of the tax brackets of the other occupants with their chalets on wheels, we got everything we need. And I don't even have to cook. Thanks, Frank.
Frank's chopped cheese. It's great, Frank. Good job. How's the steak? You see? It's pretty rare. Throw that back on.
I'll tell you what, brother. Even though Frank did cook that steak a little rare, ain't never had a piece of meat I had a problem biting into that was bleeding a little red. But we had a great time. Steamers. We couldn't find them. So we got little necks. No big deal. When life throws you seafood that is out of season, you better take them lemons and squeeze them on a different type of clam. Go ahead, I dare you. Bacon and guiso. Hell, you could put anything in that goddamn pot within reason. Check the campground rules. But if you're feeling iffy, just remember.
Don't burn the garlic bread.
Nice.
That's right, Frank. Thanks for watching. This is Early's Outside.